डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं भारती करारे, लेक्चरर NIT पॉलिटेक्निक नागपुर, welcomes you in this online session of emerging trends in computer and information technology. Unit 1, Artificial Intelligence. In previous video, we have learned about concept, scope and approach of AI. Today, we will learn about components of AI, types of AI and applications of AI. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, we will be able to identify components of AI, list various applications of AI, आइडेंटिफाई टाइप्स ऑफ AI. यह वीडियो देखने के बाद हम AI के वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे, हम एप्लीकेशंस को लिस्ट कर पाएंगे और हम AI के टाइप्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे. कोर्स आउटकम्स एंड प्रोग्राम आउटकम्स. दिस यूनिट satisfies course outcome 1, describe artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, and PO satisfies POs as basic and discipline specific knowledge and lifelong learning. Prerequisite for this subject is knowledge of applications and advancement of computer engineering and information technology. Now let us start with the topic components of AI. The components of AI means AI artificial intelligence के आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए कौन से कंपोनेंट्स, कौन सी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. व्हाट आर द की कंपोनेंट्स, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. The core components of AI are derived from concept of logic, cognition and computation. So on the basis of this logic, cognition and functional or computation, the components of AI are derived. The core components are derived on the basis of logic, cognition and functional, and these compound components are derived from these core components, and from this core and compound components we have to develop their coarse components. So from this level, logic level, we derived the AI derived from this logic level. The core components of AI are derived are induction, proposition, tautology and modal logic. And from this core component, these knowledge, reasoning, control, search, these compound components are developed. And from these core components, knowledge-based system, heuristic search and theorem proving, this core component is to be developed. From cognition level, temporal learning, adoption and self-organization, these core components are derived. And from these core components, belief, desire and intention, these are the mental states of mental states, these are to be developed. And from this from this compound component and core component, multi-agent system, cooperation, coordination and AI programming, these core components are to be developed. From level 3, memory and perception, these core components are developed from computation, and compound components from memory and perception is utterance is to be developed. And from this memory, perception and utterance, core component is to be developed as vision, natural language and speech processing. We have to work on this knowledge-based system, heuristic search, theorem proving, multi-agent system, cooperation, coordination, AI programming, vision, natural language and speech processing. These are the core components and on which we have to work. Then now we have to study regarding these components of AI. We have to remember some information related to these components of AI. The compound components are made of some combination of logic and cognition stream. Knowledge, reasoning and control generated from constituents of logic such as predicate calculus, induction and tautology, and some from cognition such as learning and adoption. Then belief, desire and intention are models of mental states and are predominantly based on cognitive components but less on logic. Vision, utterance and expressions are combined effect of memory and perceiving organs or body sensors such as ear, eyes and vocal. So vision, utterance and expressions are depending on the sensor organs. Sensor organs कौन से हैं? Ear, eyes and vocal. These are the sensor organs of human. And vision, utterance and expressions ये इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. Belief, desire and intention ये mental states के मॉडल्स हैं और ये कॉग्निटिव कंपोनेंट है. ये कॉग्निटिव पे ही बेस करते हैं, लॉजिक पे कम बेस करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ AI. कंपोनेंट्स बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन. पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन पे कौन से कंपोनेंट्स बेस्ड करते हैं? एक नॉलेज बेस्ड सिस्टम, ह्यूरिस्टिक अप्रोच, देन ऑटोमेटिक थियरम प्रूविंग, देन मल्टी एजेंट सिस्टम, AI लैंग्वेजेस. कौन सी AI लैंग्वेजेस? Prolog and Lisp. We have to remember these things. Then natural language processing, we can say that it is a NLP. Natural language processing को NLP भी बोलते हैं. Then speech processing and vision. These components are based on principle of pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is one of the main aspect of AI. AI का एक मेन पार्ट है पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन. तो पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन में मतलब कौन से टाइप का पैटर्न है, वहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशंस आते हैं, लाइटिंग आते हैं, 3D पोस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आती है, नॉइज एंड ऑक्यूलेशन आता है. तो यहाँ वेरियस पैटर्न्स दिए हैं. सो ये पैटर्न को AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आइडेंटिफाई करता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द सिस्टम्स. KBS इज अ long form of KBS is knowledge based system. Long form of NLP is natural language processing. Then heuristic approach, automatic theorem proving, multi-agent systems and languages, Prolog and Lisp. Yeah, these are the AI languages. What are the different AI languages? Prolog and Lisp. You have to remember this thing. Next is types of AI. So there are mainly two types of AI. Type 1 is based on capabilities and type 2 is based on functionality. This is type 1. This is based on the कैपेबिलिटीज. कैपेबिलिटीज के बेस पे तीन प्रकार के AI फॉर्म होते हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू बेस्ड ऑन फंक्शनलिटी देयर आर 4 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ AI. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू कैपेबिलिटीज देयर इज नैरो AI, जनरल AI एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग AI. दीज आर द 3 टाइप्स. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू बेस्ड ऑन फंक्शनलिटी देयर आर 4 डिफरेंट टाइप्स: रिएक्टिव मशीन, लिमिटेड मेमोरी, theory of mind and self-awareness. So let us see one by one. Weak AI or narrow AI. Weak AI is it is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. मतलब जितना टास्क दिया है वो डेडिकेटली फॉलो करता है. This is the most common and currently available AI. And narrow AI cannot perform beyond its field of limitation and it is only trained for one specific task. Hence it is also termed as weak AI. मतलब वो जितना उनको टास्क दिया है उसके बियॉन्ड वो काम नहीं करेगा, वो उतना ही करेगा, इसीलिए उसको वीक AI बोलते हैं. नैरो AI कैन फेल इन अनप्रेडिक्टेबल वेज इफ इट इज गोज बियॉन्ड द लिमिट. अगर वो लिमिट के बाहर गया तो वो क्या करेगा उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं है, जैसे यहाँ पे पिक्चर में दिख रहा है. एप्पल सीरीज इज अ गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नैरो AI, but it operates with a limited predefined range of functions. Examples of narrow AI are playing chess, purchasing suggestions on e-commerce site, self-driving car, speech recognition and image recognition. Now, general AI. General AI is perform any intellectual task with efficiency like human. General AI ये human के जैसा efficiently work करता है. The idea behind the general AI to make such a system could be a smarter and think like a human. Human के जैसा वो खुद होके सोचने लगता है. Currently, there is no such system exist which could come under the general AI. फिलहाल ये system exist में नहीं है. Worldwide researchers उसके ऊपर सोच रहे हैं. The system with general AI are still under research and it will take lot of efforts and time to develop the system. Then super AI. Super AI is a level of intelligence of systems at which machines could surpass humans intelligence and can perform any task better than human with cognitive properties. It is a outcome of general AI. It is general AI के आगे का स्टेज है super AI. Some key characteristics of strong AI include the ability to think, to reason, solve the puzzle, make judgments, plan, learn and communicate by its own. मतलब ये ह्यूमन कैपेसिटीज के बियॉन्ड सोचने लगेगा. सुपर एआई इज स्टिल अ हाइपोथेटिकल कंसेप्ट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सच सिस्टम्स इन रियल टाइम इज अ स्टिल वर्ल्ड चेंजिंग टास्क. सुपर एआई अगर बन गया तो सुपर एआई डेवलप होने के बाद इट विल क्रिएट अ बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग, क्योंकि वो ह्यूमन बीइंग के आगे सोचेगा, ह्यूमन बीइंग के ब्रेन से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होगा. Okay, so we can't imagine the situation. Reactive machines. So this is type 2 AIs. So reactive machines means purely reactive machines are most basic type of artificial intelligence. Such AI system do not store memories or past experiences. इसमें past experiences store नहीं होते. This machine only focus on current scenario and react on it as per possible best action. IBM's Deep Blue system is an example of reactive machine. Google AlphaGo is example of reactive machine. इस पे past experiences future के लिए store नहीं किए जाते हैं reactive machines पे. And this is the basic type of artificial intelligence. Limited memory AI is this machine can store past experiences but for a short period of time. This machine can use stored data for limited time period. Self-driving car is example of limited memory AI. These cars can store speed of nearby car, the distance of other cars, speed limit and other information to navigate the road. Next is theory of mind. Theory of mind AI should understand the human emotions, people believe and can be able to interact socially like human. And this type of AI machine are still not developed, but researchers are trying best. Then self-awareness. Self-awareness AI is the future of artificial intelligence. This machine will be super intelligent and will have their own consequence, sentiments and self-awareness. This machine will be smarter than human mind. ये machine human mind से भी smart रहेंगी. और self-awareness does not exist in reality. Still it is a hypothetical concept. Applications of AI. Next topic is applications of AI. There are various applications of AI exist. First is gaming. Gaming means machines are used based on heuristic knowledge. Heuristic knowledge पे जो machines बने हुए हैं वो machines ये gaming के लिए use करते हैं. And such games chess, poker, tic tac toe ये games में ये machines crucial role play करते हैं. Then second is natural language processing. So natural language processing AI application is possible to interact with computer and understand natural language spoken by human. Human ने जो natural language में बोला है उसको understand करने की कोशिश करता है ये natural language processing AI. Expert system these are the some applications with integrate machine software and special information to impart reasoning and advice. They provide explanation and advice to the users. This expert system is a expert system ऐसी है कि वो reasoning और advising पे काम करता है और हमें decisions देता है. Then vision system. This system understand, interpret and comprehend visual input on the computer. For example, a spying aeroplane takes photograph which are used to figure out special information or map on areas. Doctors are use clinical expert system to diagnose the patient. Police are the computer system that recognize the face criminal with stored portrait made by heuristic approach. And speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language. Speech मतलब जो हमने बोला है उसको identify करता है. Handwriting recognition means हमने जो पेपर पे पेन पे लिखा है एंड स्टाइलस से इस पे लिखा है, स्टाइलस से स्क्रीन पे लिखा है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करता है. एंड इंटेलिजेंट रोबोट मीन्स इसमें ऐसा प्रोग्राम फिट किया जाता है वो हीट, टेम्परेचर, मूवमेंट, साउंड्स को सेंस करता है और वो कैपेबल ऑफ लर्निंग, एडॉप्ट न्यू एनवायरनमेंट वो